B-17. You can't see, in the video, you can't see it behind the B-29, but the B-17 and the B-47 is both taking off right now.
Can't get no good pictures here. These things you can't see, it's too bright. You need a $100,000 camera to see better, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
100,000. You have 100,000? Lend me 50,000?
Nope.
No. They're not making that, right?
Wish I was a billionaire.
No, I ain't no millionaire at all. I ain't got a penny to my freaking name.
Me neither.
Where the hell you from? You ain't got no penny to your name.
I'm from media.
Media? Oh, down towards Philadelphia.
Yeah. Luckily, I live like a half hour from Philly, so I get to go to the Eagles games pretty easily.
Oh, I used to do the Phillies games and all that stuff.
I like the Eagles and Patriots. And
Yeah. I used to do that with camera.
Nice.
It's like with a cheap camera, I can't afford that kind of stuff. I'm not a millionaire.
Yeah. I mean, at least we get to see that kind of stuff.
But this kind of stuff,
yeah,
it's nice. I love it.
I've always liked World War II aircraft.
Me too. Yep.